How you doing, Eastas? It's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pack with me video. This weekend is my grandfather's 92nd birthday. Yes, 92 years old. And you would never know it by his spunk and his get up and go about himself. So I am so excited to be able to celebrate with him his 92nd birthday. And also it's my grandmother's birthday's weekend as well. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that my grandmother is very dear to my heart, and she passed away on Christmas Day 2013, and her birthday is also coming up in a couple of days. So I always do something special for her at her gravesite. I either take a cake or some candles or cupcakes or something like that to sing happy birthday to her and to celebrate her life and her death. So this is a new item in my collection. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this beautiful gem duffel, then I will leave a link below so you can check out that video with my first impressions, as well as the unboxing of another little cute item that goes along with this bag. So if you are interested in packing with me, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, this is going to be a quick weekend trip. So I'm only going to take a few outfits and a couple pair of shoes and some underclothes. So let's get started. Let me just share with you some of the items that I will be trying to pack into this duffel. So the first outfit is just a pair of black cargo capris with a striped black and white shirt. The second outfit is a pair of white capris with a royal blue shirt. You guys know I love my maxi dresses, so I could not go throughout the weekend without a black maxi dress. And if I wanted a little bit of fun, I decided to bring along my coral maxi dress as well. And I also have my underclothes. So now let's see how these items fit inside of the duffel. Okay, so as you can see, this duffel has tons and tons of room as well as organization. It has a very nice size zipper pocket here, a nice size slip pocket, and on the other wall it also has two nice size slip pockets. And it also has a key keeper. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to put in is my pair of capris and striped shirt, and that's how that fits. And then here's my other capris and shirt, and I'm going to take my black maxi dress and I'm going to stick that right here. As you can see, still lots and lots of room. And then I'm just going to take my coral dress. I'm going to stick that right here on top as well. So as you can see, there is 4 outfits just on this one side. So then I'm just going to take a couple of pair of shoes, and these are just some cork slides. And then I just have another pair of cork slides. And to store my shoes, I just use a regular old Dooney Bourke dust bag. And then we're just going to stick these right here. I'm just going to take my underclothes and I'm just going to sit those right there on top. Okay, so now let's just see how she zips up. Very nice and smooth, and there you have it. Okay guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick updated what fits in my DOP kit, and these are some of the items that I will be taking with me. So let me just share with you what I did. So I wanted to keep this as clean as possible. So what I did was I used a bag organizer. As you can see, I have a bag organizer here in the bottom. So let me just share with you some of the items that I have in here. So I have some body wash here in the pocket. I have some lotion here, and then I also have some facial cleanser, and I have my powder brush, I have my comb, my brush, I have my mascara and my eyeliner. I have, what is this? This is, oh, my face moisturizer. I have some Fresh and Go wipes, and I also have my face powder on the inside. And then here I have some mouthwash. I have some Lysol to go. Every time I travel, I always take Lysol so I can spray the sheets and the pillows and the toilet seats and all that germaphobe type stuff. I have some toothpaste. I have some flossers. And then in here, I just have some Bath and Body Works spray that I put inside of here. So this was the perfect solution to keeping my bag nice and clean. As you can see, it's the perfect fit. It slides right out. As you can see, it's absolutely perfect. So this way I can keep my dopp kit nice and clean, but still have some organization. For my bag, I will be carrying my pebbled leather crossbody in the color Caribbean blue. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Montego gym bag, a crossbody, and a pebbled leather dopp kit, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.